comprehensive exchange with His Excellency, the Vice President Alckmin of Brazil. I am personally very happy to be participating in this because, as many of you know, I had the privilege of serving as India's ambassador to Brazil between 2006 and 2008. Brazil and India are not only partners in several multilateral and plurilateral initiatives, but our economic relationship is growing from strength to strength. We are also firm stakeholders in new areas of cooperation, such as biofuels. We are both not only founding members of the Global Biofuels Alliance, which now has 32 countries, but our traditional economic interaction with Brazil is growing. But I still believe it has a potential which could be further discovered. We buy some $2.5 billion worth of traditional energy, crude, every year from Brazil. Many of our companies have entered into term agreements with Brazil, with Petrobras, and I think we could buy more. We are also selling high-speed diesel and aviation fuel to Brazil. Our cooperation, whether it's in the area of civil aviation, I mean Embraer, or it's in the area of biofuels or in other areas, there's tremendous scope for further enhancement. And the discussion that I had with Vice President Alckmin was in the context of the energy sector, where we have about $3.5 billion of investments in Brazil. Petrobras, which has well-known demonstrated experience in deep water and ultra exploration, is helping Oil India in seismic surveys in the Andaman Islands, and they're doing very well. I think ONGC and Petrobras have just signed an MOU on onshore exploration. So it's a journey which is started many years ago in the first Lula administration, which is gathering momentum, and I see very bright prospects for further enhanced cooperation, not only on the economic sphere, but also in other, as we are both vital stakeholders in the multilateral system.